Welcome back to another episode of Surviving AP Seminar with Cassie,
Sophie,
and Jaden.
and actually, this isn't just a regular episode. This is our last episode. So hopefully you made it through. Congrats! And hopefully from this you've learned a lot about what to expect going into AP Seminar.
Yes. I think one of the main takeaways should be time management and just preparing well for your presentations and essays and just basically just time management. You just have to remember that.
Yeah, just, make sure you turn in all your work because if you don't, it will deduct your grade by a significant amount.
Yeah,
so
and there
make sure
isn't a lot to turn in.
Yeah,
so
just like the main
be on
stuff.
top of it. It's really not hard. You just have to be responsible.
Honestly, just when you get assigned, that's when you should start your draft.
Yeah.
Because I think the most important thing especially there's a lot of writing and researching,
Yeah.
it can get very tiring and it's all like online. So I think another important thing is to make sure that when you're writing your essay, give yourself breaks.
Yeah.
And not just like from writing, but let's say you have like maybe 3 paragraphs done, give yourself a day and then come back with fresh eyes, and that'll really help like finalize and edit your essay to make it like the best you can be. Because
Yeah.
that's the ultimate goal, having the best essay you possibly could write. So I think just making sure you're giving yourself days in between to really look over it and revise it really helps making it crisp.
Yes.
Some other closing. This is just like our closing thoughts, our ideas. I'm really happy I took the class. I've learned a lot that'll help me next year for AP Lang.
I'm also glad I took the class because it was just the easiest AP class, and I did learn a lot also. And it's just it's not a boring class.
Yeah, like Miss
and,
Robert makes it fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and not only that, she's a good teacher. She's not one of those that are if you know what I mean.
As we know.
And it's also really fun because if you obviously if you are in a class with a lot of your friends, you get to engage with them.
Yes.
And it's just good team working skills in general.
Yes.
That is useful, and just being able to present and have that practice for presenting in front of that publicly in front of people.
Also, going off that, it's really important that in life, you're gonna have to work with people that you don't like. So this is a great first step into that, to really understanding and connecting with those people and finding a common goal and a common interest.
Yeah.
Agreed.
I mean, I guess that's pretty much.
Yeah. That's
Thank you guys for listening along. I hope you have a great time in AP Seminar.
Yes. Have fun.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so fun. It's gonna go by so fast.
Yeah.
Trust.
I still remember the first day of school, and now it's like the last.
Yeah, I agree with what they said.
Okay, Jenna, want to give us our last outro?
I guess, thanks for tuning in on how to survive AP Seminar 101. There's my toucher already. Thank you for joining us, and a big thanks from
Cassie,
Sophie.
and Jaden.
Bye.
Not see you in the next one.
Peace
good
out.
luck.